Hi, this is Steve from Roofer911. I'm on a roof in Alexandria, Virginia, and the homeowner has a leak right in this area here on the back side of the chimney. Now they have an aluminum ridge vent, and this one over here, you can see that they overlap this one by about 6 inches over this side. So this is not going to cause a leak, but I'll show you what they did over here. They butt this ridge vent up to this one. There's no overlap here at all, so it's all wide open. So when there's a heavy downpour, the water will just get inside here and the water will leak straight down below, but then some of that water will travel underneath the shingle and settle at the chimney. So we need to take off this ridge vent here, and then we're going to overlap this side by about 3 inches, and then we'll overlap that side as well, and we're going to seal underneath the ridge vent, and then the ridge vent will be pressed into the ceiling. So that's it. Again, this is Steve from Roofer911. We specialize in roof repair and roof replacement in all areas in Northern Virginia and Alexandria. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. Thank you.